yesterday, but Mike Novak's house kicked our ass yesterday. It pummeled us, left us bloody and bleeding all over the front lawn, but we were able to get through it. The machine wasn't working yesterday to blow this insulation in. We spent 6 hours fixing that. The electrical with, oh, by the way, can you just put a light right here, turned into another 10 hours worth of work because the old wiring, everything we touched fell apart. I'll stop my whining now. Anyway, you can see on the side here where we put the baffles in. On the side, we went around all of the electrical outlets, any penetrations coming up through the floor of the attic were foamed around and air sealed around all the electrical boxes, the light fixtures, all that got sealed. And then we blew in an additional 6 inches of the cellulose. That adds another roughly R19 to R25, depending on the thickness, 6 to 8 inches. So overall, he's got pretty close to an R40 up here now, which he didn't have before. And if you look on the side, sometimes if you pan around right to the side there, you can see that the dust is actually moving because those vents are ventilating right now, and there's air coming up through the soffits, making the dust move. So that shows you right there that those ventilation panels are working properly, allowing the attic to still breathe while being insulated properly. So the other section on the other side here that had no insulation, we added about 12 inches in there, and that'll give us roughly that R40 in that space now also. So with that, Mike Novak is going to be toasty and warm, and hopefully now that the temperature's 60 degrees out today for some reason in the middle of January, hopefully it'll drop back down. Mike will stay nice, toasty and warm, and he'll lower his energy bills in the process. So it's not just blowing this stuff in. That generally is the easy part. You want to do all your electric, get all that cleaned up so you're not trampling this back down in the future, and air seal it, put your vents in. Once you've got all that done, all that prep work, then you can blow in the insulation. It's just like painting. The painting part's easy. It's all the prep work that's a pain in the butt. So with that, we'll say thanks, Mike Novak, and we'll see you next time.